If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then in that case we can use a third-party app that allows us to easily do so. And we will have to download exactly the same app on both devices. And of course, there are many different apps that allows you to move data. You can, for example, search for copy data, move files, and so on and so forth in order to find a list of available apps. In my case, I'm just gonna use, I'm gonna type local send. This is one of many apps that allow us to transfer files. So once you have the app installed on your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, of course you will have to do so the same thing on our iPhone. And in here we can just simply start searching for the same app. So we're gonna type local send. There we go. We should be able to find exactly the same app in the App Store. And of course, once you install it, you want to open it. So here we have names for both of our devices, and we want to transfer something from the iPhone. So we're gonna go to send. And then in here we can choose whichever type of data we want to transfer. Unfortunately, we cannot transfer apps because apps on iOS are built in a different way than on Android, so you will have to download them manually from the Play Store. And in here I'm just gonna choose file, and of course we can select anything that we wish to transfer. So let's say if I go to file in here, I'm just gonna select a couple of example files, and I'm gonna tap on open here in the upper right corner. There we go. Once we have these files added, everything that you want to transfer, of course in your case it's going to probably take a little bit longer to select everything, but once you do have everything, you can just simply select the device from the list of nearby devices. There we go. And of course we want to accept, wait a couple of seconds, and it should be done. Of course, the more files you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take to transfer everything. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.